So good morning, viewers. My name is Raz, and actually, I have a good student, and he has completed only 15 days in American Institute. So I'm going to ask some questions. I don't know what question will be I ask, but I'm going to ask because there is a Jad. He's very student. He's very punctual, and he comes to American Institute every day, guys. So a very punctual guy, and he always focus on his study and English as well. So I'm going to start, guys. Yeah. Hi, Jad.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I'm fine too. And how's your life?
Yes, sir. It's so.
It's so. Zaid, where do you live in Barabanki?
I live at Pirba town in Barabanki.
Okay. I heard about this name actually. What is the very famous, like sweets? Yeah, in your locality.
Sir, there is no sweets famous there. There is only famous tea.
Tea. Okay. What is the price of tea there?
I think 7 or 8 rupees.
There is a cutting tea also in Barabanki. People they say that ki I want cutting tea. What do you mean by cutting tea?
A half cup of tea that called cutting tea.
Okay, that's
That half of.
So do you take everyday tea?
Yeah, I take every day. I
At
think,
your home or at shop?
sir, everywhere where I go, I take tea.
You are fond of taking tea, right? आप शौकीन है, that's very nice. So Jed, who is very close to you in your family?
Sir, my mother is very close to me.
Your mother. Okay. Tell about two qualities inside your mother which you like the most.
So
Near to me.
she is so caring and she take every responsibility in our family. That is the I I I can't say anything.
Okay. Jayad, actually, when I came in, Barabanki from Faizabad, so people, there are Muslims and Hindus are coming in American Institute. When you came here, is there any discrimination between the Hindu and the Muslims you saw here in American Institute, like this one?
No, sir, I didn't saw anything like that.
Means they are talking equally, right? There is no partiality. That's very nice. Do you offer the namaz?
Yeah, I offer the namaz
Okay. How many times do you offer the namaz?
5 times in a day.
Okay. Suppose today you are very busy, right? You don't have a time to offer the namaz. So that day you left it, or without offering the namaz you can't go anywhere.
No, sir, I have to take it because it's our
Mandatory or
mandatory thing. Yeah.
okay. After offering the namaz, what do you feel that time after offering that?
I feel very I feel very free of everything.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay, so that's very nice. So Jayad, actually, after coming here, what was the changing? What was Jayad, and what is Jayad? What is the difference between this Jayad and that Jayad when you didn't come here?
So that Zaid was very shy and introvert. He cannot talk to others. He could not talk to others like that. Like I am talking now. I am very improved by now.
Still, you are not speaking louder. Why?
So I have a medium voice. How can I?
What do you do in your free time?
I use my phone in free time.
Are you married or single?
I am single.
You are single. When will you get married?
So in 5 or 6 years, I think.
What is the purpose of your life? What do you want to be in your life?
I want to be a businessman as well.
You want to be a businessman?
Yeah.
Jed, actually, people they have a individual definition of the success. Some of them are saying that I will have a bank balance, an expensive car, and the flat. Then I will be a successful. According to you, what is success?
Success is when we can help others and do good things with our money.
With money, right?
Yeah.
Do you want to purchase a car or bike in the future?
I want to purchase a bike in future.
What bike do you like the most?
I like RX 100, Yamaha RX 100.
Yamaha RX-100, very nice. Suppose you are riding bike, so who will be a part of your life? Who will be sit beside you from like backside? Who will be there?
First of all, my mother will be.
Very nice.
Then
Yeah,
then my brother. Can,
yeah. Your brother. That's a good. Okay. Jed, nice meeting you, and thank you to be a part of American.
nice to meet you too, sir.
Very good.